Archaeologists have made an exciting discovery in the Glen Brittle Forest on the Isle of Skye, where they have uncovered the remains of a post-medieval township. The find was made during an environmental survey conducted prior to the harvest of a mature conifer plantation in the area. AOC archaeologists involved in the project have identified traces of 28 buildings, including houses, byres, cowsheds, barns, and corn drying kilns. These structures were surrounded by fields and stock enclosures, which were typical features of a small clachan or township. The township, known as Brunel, is mentioned on an early 19th century map surveyed by John Thomson in 1832. It was an agricultural settlement that thrived during the 17th and 18th centuries. Historical records describe Brunel as a place where black cattle, sheep, and horses were reared. Black cattle were particularly important for the local economy, as they provided the main source of income for the residents. The returns from cattle farming allowed people to pay their rents and meet their basic needs. While some sheep farming existed, it was not the primary focus, and there were no farms dedicated entirely to sheep pasture. However, during the late 18th century, the township faced a decline. Farms started consolidating land for sheep grazing, reducing the need for manual labor. This led to the displacement of small tenants, who were left without means of support. By the Ordnance Survey of 1881, Brunel had dwindled to just 2 roofless buildings and a few fields, indicating that the entire population had abandoned the township by that time. The significance of this discovery lies not only in uncovering the physical remains of the post-medieval township but also in shedding light on the socio-economic changes that affected the local community. It provides valuable insights into the transition from an agrarian society to a more specialized and commercialized farming system. The discovery of the post-medieval township in the Glen Brittle Forest adds another chapter to the rich history of the Isle of Skye. It offers a glimpse into the lives of the people who once inhabited this region and the challenges they faced during a period of agricultural transformation. By studying the remains of the buildings and the layout of the township, researchers can reconstruct the daily lives, social structures, and economic activities of the community that once thrived in this area. As further research is conducted on the site, archaeologists will continue to deepen our understanding of the post-medieval period and the specific dynamics of Brunel and its inhabitants. By preserving and studying these archaeological sites, we can expand our knowledge of the past and appreciate the resilience and adaptability of human societies throughout history.